Welcome to Monkey Blossom, where we love to play with stickers.
I want to make sure we bob for apples later. I wish it could be my birthday every day.
And Legos.
Achoo!
And with that, Matilda sneezed so loudly and with so much force that Snow White's cottage was completely destroyed.
I am Moana. Put your cape on. Batman. Batman.
Curses! The Batmobile has fallen apart again. Good thing I kept the directions handy. Perfect!
And trolls.
I wonder what's inside. Let's find out.
Aw, cute.
Ooh.
And we love crafts.
You guys, check out this awesome scrapbooking kit. And it has my favorite thing, glitter.
And we're crazy about coloring. We have so much fun at Monkey Blossom. Subscribe so you can be part of it.